If I told you that you could memorize any chapter in just 5 minutes, would you believe me? Probably not, but you're about to. Today, I'm giving you a study hack that boosts your memory 10 times faster. It's called the 3-2-1 rule. Step 1. Read it 3 times with full focus. Slow down, understand every line, and let your brain see the information repeatedly. Repetition locks it into long-term memory. Step 2. Say it out loud 2 times. When you speak, your eyes, ears, and tongue work together. More senses equals faster learning. It's like printing the info directly into your brain. Step 3. Write it 1 time without looking. Grab a scrap paper and dump everything you remember. If you miss something, check the book, fix it, and repeat. That's how you bulletproof your memory. And that's it. The 3-2-1 rule. Simple, fast, and insanely powerful. If this hack helps you, smash the like button, drop 3-2-1 rule in the comments, share it with a friend, and follow for more high-performance study tricks.